Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Okay, at sa video ito, ating pag-aaralan ang pang grade 4 word problems involving addition and subtraction of fractions. Okay, so simulan na natin ang ating pagsagot. Okay, so para sa ating number 1 word problem. Alright, so Mrs. Reyes bought 3/5 of curtain. Okay, so bumili daw siya ng curtain cloth. Okay. And then she used 1/8 meter to make a curtain for the living room window. So how many meters of cloth were not used? So 3/5 yung kanyang binili, 3/5 meters. 3/5 meter. Okay, pero ang ginamit lang niya is 1/8 meter. So una, so magiging paano ba? Okay. So 3/5 meter, yeah, so 3/5. So wag mo muna nating intindihin yung unit na meter. Okay, so 1/8 minus 1/8. Okay, or 1/8. So kapag ganyan, magkaiba sila ng denominator, hindi natin siya pwedeng i-subtract or hindi natin siya pwedeng i-add. So kailangan makita natin muna or makuha yung least common denominator. Okay? So ang least common denominator nila or least common multiple nila is 40. Okay? 40 kasi 5 times 8 is 40. So ang gagawin lang natin, so 3/5, no? So pwede tayong mag-multiply ng 8/8. Okay? Minus, meron tayong 1/8. At para maging 40, so siyempre, multiply naman natin siya ng 5/5. Okay? So meron tayong 3 times 8 is 24. Okay, over 40. Minus 1 times 5 is 5 over 40. Okay? So ngayon, pwede natin siyang i-subtract ngayon. 24 minus 5 all over 40. So 24 minus 5 is ilan ito? 24 minus 5. Pakita natin. So 14 minus 5 is 9. So meron tayong 1. So 19. So 19 over 40 meters. Yan ang hindi nagamit. Okay, were not used. Okay, so 19 over 40 meters. Okay, were not used. Okay, so next one. Faye had a piece of ribbon. After using 3/8 meter for her headband, she had 1/4 meter left. Okay, how many meters of ribbon did she have? Okay, first. Okay, so at first, so gumamit daw siya ng 3/8 meter. Tapos may natira siyang 1/4 meter. So ang tinatanong, so ilang metro yung ribbon sa simula, okay? So kasi ito na yung ginamit niya eh. She used 3/8 meter and then ito yung natira. So ibig sabihin, mag-a-add tayo ngayon. Okay? So again, kalimutan muna natin yung unit kasi pareho naman silang meter. Okay, so 8 and 4, hindi tayo pwedeng mag-add kasi magkaiba sila ng denominator. So, ang least common multiple ng 8 and 4 is, tama, 8. So, 3/8. Okay. Parenthesis tayo. So, 1/4 times, para maging 8, multiply natin siya ng 2/2. So, 3/8 plus, 1 times 2 is 2. 2/8. So, 3, okay, para malinaw, 3 plus 2 all over 8. Okay, so 3 plus 2 is 5 and then over 8 meter. 8 meter at first. Okay, number 3, a seller sliced some pizzas, okay, into 8. So, for example, isang pizza lang, okay? So, dinivide daw niya in-slice daw niya ng 8. So, 4 yan. Okay, so meron tayong 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, 8 slices. After selling 57 slices, 7 slices were left. So, how many whole pizzas did the vendor slice? Alright. So, una, okay, meron tayong 8 slices, sabi dyan. So, bilangin muna natin ilan yung total slices. Okay, so 57 yung nabenta, tapos 7 yung natira. So, 57 plus 7 is 64 slices. Okay. Okay, lahat-lahat ito Okay. Lahat-lahat yan, 64 slices. Ngayon, since ang isang pizza, hinati niya sa 8. Tama? So, 64 divided by 8 is 8. Okay. So, ibig sabihin, meron tayong 8 pizza. 8 pizzas. Okay, so yun na yun. So, how many whole pizzas did the vendor slice? Okay, so 8 pizza. Okay, next one. The Boy Scouts spent 10-12 hours during daily exercises. They only use 1/4 hour in hiking. So, how much time did they use for other body exercises? Okay, so meron tayong 10-12 hours. So, kalimutan muna natin yung unit para hindi tayo nalilito. And then, they only use 1/4. Okay, so, 1/4 lang daw nagamit nila. So, minus 1/4. Okay, so para malaman natin, how much time did they use for other body exercises? Okay, so meron tayong 10/12 minus 1/4. Ang least common multiple nila, 12. Para maging 12, itong denominator, multiply tayo ng 3/3. Okay, so meron tayong 10/12 minus 3/12. So, meron tayong 10 minus 3 is 7/12 hour. Okay? So, 7/12 hour ang nagamit nila for other body exercises. Okay, next one. So, Leo hiked 6/7 of a kilometer. Then, Jericho hiked 2/3 kilometers. Who cover a longer distance? So, how much longer? Okay, so 6-7 kilometer para kay Leo. Okay. Okay, sulat natin Leo. So, 6-7 kilometer. Then, si Jericho naman, 2/3 kilometers. Okay, so who cover a longer distance? So, how much longer? So, para ma-combine natin sila, kunin muna natin yung kanilang equivalent fractions. Okay, so 6/7 and then 2/3. So, ang kanilang least common denominator or multiple is 21. Okay, at para maging 21, 3/3. Okay, so 6 times 3 is 18. And then 7/7, 14. Okay, so makikita natin. So, ang tamang sagot, si who cover the longer distance. So, kitang-kita naman natin, 18 and 14. So, ang tawag dito? So, si Leo. Si Leo yung ating sagot, who cover a longer distance. Okay? And then, how much longer? How much longer daw? So, 18 minus 4. 18 over 14. Oh, sorry. 18 over 21. Okay, so how much longer? So 18 over 21 minus 14 over 21 is equal to 4 over 21 kilometers. So ito yung sagot natin sa A. So dito sa first question, so si Leo. Pero how much longer? 4 over 21 kilometers. Okay? Okay, at yan po ang ating lesson for today. Okay, thank you so much po sa inyong lahat. God bless you all. Ako po si Konkru TV. Thank you so much.